Hello fashionistas, welcome to eFashion World, your number one hub on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. An happy weekend to each and every one of you wherever you are watching from. Have you ever been to an award gala night, or you've been contemplating of attending one? Today's video, we have collections of unique styles that are different from the norms, quite different from what we've been bringing to you so far. I can say it categorically that the styles in this video are first of its kind here on eFashion World, and that is in line with our promise that we are not going to get you stereotyped when it comes to fashion. We want to fire from all cylinders and give you that opportunity from different angle when it comes to fashion. Today's video is embedded with styles that you normally see on the red carpet, on a gala night or an award night. They are lovely, elegant, beautiful, mind-blowing, fabulous, gorgeous, terrific styles. They are styles that most definitely you will find highly irresistible by the time you finish watching this video. Just want to inspire you from another angle, quite different from the usual that you do get on this platform. We want to take you on another level when it comes to fashion, to broaden your horizon when it comes to fashion, like to make you see that there are some other ways that you can dress as a woman of color, as a beautiful, gorgeous black woman that you are, and you will still look very elegant. And the styles in this video, as they're rolling by, they are styles that you can put on anywhere in the world. Trust me on that. They are fabulous, they are gorgeous, they are awesome, they are terrific styles. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from this video, from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All pros and credits in this video goes to those highly resourceful, creative, talented fashion designers who put all this together and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. If you find yourself here for the first time, you are most definitely welcome to eFashion World, that broad spectrum on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video full of mind-blowing styles like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and leave your thoughts below in the comment section. And fundamentally, don't forget to share this video with family and friends for us to evenly spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely weekend ahead, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.